Let's put this tub in. Make sure I don't have any screws sticking up anywhere that I don't want sticking up. Well, I want to caulk this inner edge, but there's no need to get that far ahead. I guarantee you it's gonna just smear, because we got to rough this up a little bit to get it in there. It is still 100 degrees in here. 100 degrees. But I'm grateful to have the space to work. Or play, as it may be. All right, let's put some screws in this dog. Oh, my trash can. Oh, there it is. Tipped my whole mess over, but it will be all right. There we go. Now I just need to put a couple in this lip right here. Get some caulk in there with it. Whoa. I'll caulk all that up after I get this done, but as I'm getting hot, that's why I can't function here. Can't function so well. All right, that'd be it right there. Let's go around and make sure everything's got plenty of sealant on it. And yeah, When I was younger, this wouldn't be much of a deal here, but this heat's just beating me up. All right. Now we can flip this over and plan for the install. Maybe move you back so I don't knock this over. Hopefully I don't.